Hello guys, Crypto Tylan here, back with another video. In this video we're going to be talking about a new miner. It is BUSD miner and it gives you 15% daily, 4,475 APR, and the contract is very low. At this current time it is 1,514 BUSD. So it's going to be a quick video. Link will be down below, and my Telegram will also be down below, where you will see where all the links are before I post on YouTube, and you get them as soon as possible. But yeah guys, remember always put in what you can afford to lose, as you don't know how crypto is. It's very volatile, and so are these new smart contracts. But yeah, all you have to do guys is have BUSD in your MetaMask BSC Binance Smart Chain, and then just say you want to buy 100. Put 100 in, press approve, wait for the bottom right corner it should say transaction approved, then wait again 100, and currently for 100 BUSD you can get 3,956 BUSD miners. But guys, I think this will take off in my opinion. Remember, no financial advisor, because this is the first 15% miner daily. Remember guys, just a quick video just so you can get at it quick. The contract's still low. And remember guys, the links are down below, so with my Telegram. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.